I want to do one more example with a left join, and we're going to add in group by, and I'm going to show you a new function, a built-in function we have not seen called if null. So let's do a join with a group by, specifically a left join. So I'm going to have customers on the left, and then I will join that with orders, and that will show me, as we've already seen, which customers have not placed any orders, along with all the customers who have placed orders. It will match them up with their corresponding orders. So let's do a select first name, last name. Do we even need order date? No, let's just do amount from, and then of course we can't get that all from customers. We'll do it from customers, and then left join orders on. And just to mix it up, let's switch the order of this. It doesn't matter though. Customers.id is equal to orders.customer.id. All right, so this is what we did in the previous video, essentially. I mean, we have some different columns, but same principle. It's a left join. Every row from the customers table matched up with any overlap from the orders table. And then if there is no overlap, we get null, in this case for amount. So what I want to do now is group by first name and last name, and this will allow me to find out information in aggregate about our customers and the orders they've placed or have not placed. So I'll do a group by first name, comma, last name, and if I just do that, it's not going to help us much, but instead of doing amount, why don't we do sum of amount or average? But let's start with sum. And this tells us how many dollars each individual customer spent. We already saw how to do this with an inner join. What's different now is that I have null values present. So instead of null, maybe I want to sub in the value 0, right? That would be the amount they've spent. If that's what this is supposed to be, right? From customers, sum we'll call as money spent or something like that. This now, let's rerun it again. Money spent, instead of having null there of nothingness, let's translate that to 0. And one way of doing this is by using a function I have not shown you yet called if null. And the way that if null works is that we provide something that it will evaluate, some expression. And for every row where it gets null, so that's the first piece, so I'll say some amount. For every row that you get null, it will sub in the second value after the comma. So this is saying, all right, do this sum, and if you get null, replace it with 0. So that's what I'm going to do right here. If null, try to sum amount, and if you get null, replace it with 0. And I run this. Now we see 0 for David Bowie and Blue Steel. They have not spent any money, and this now makes it easier to do things like do math with this, sort. Anyway, just wanted to show another example. Simple enough, but we can combine some of the features we've seen all together. The newest piece here is this if null function. It just takes some expression, evaluates it, and if it's null, it replaces it with whatever we provide here. Okay, next we're going to move on to right joins and then an exercise.